Alright guys, Michael Pacific Tech. I'm out here with this Ram, the 1500 skip. I want you to see d.p.f flow, and she is flowing. Barometer pressure still holding. And let's take a look at the EG cooler outlet temperature. Alright, and the leak that you see by the middle is condensation from the AC, which is flowing right there. And that's not the coolant level, which is being sucked down because of the pressure, atmosphere pressure inside the engine. Exhaust gas temperature. It is at its max. Let me get to the other exhaust gas. Alright, so you can see all three. Alright, so we're going to do a drive cycle. Alright, so now we're going to do a driving regeneration test. As you see, I'm taking her Alright, and then I'm going to take her for a good test drive. And this pressure value. So everything looks normal on the scanner ends. So now I'm going to take it for a test drive.